Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I partnered with 602 on this video, and this is going to be a get ready with me video, but first I'm just going to go ahead and pick out my outfit. So I have some cute things from 602, and 602 is just a really cool, fun, unique retail concept. So they have a really good selection of sneakers and fitness and just casual clothes if you're like me and you're a casual girl. So I picked my outfit, but first I need to put on some makeup. So this is going to be really quick because it's like 92 degrees outside, so I don't want to do anything heavy, like no foundation or anything. So I'm just going to quickly fill in my eyebrows, add some highlight, maybe some eyeliner and a lip gloss, and call it a day. See, that was quick. Now we're all done. I put my dress on and now I'm just putting on my shoes. You guys can shop 602.com for your sneaker, fitness, and casual fashion. You can use my code, which is LP602. And yeah, go ahead and get your cute little style going. You can use the link in the description box, or you can just find a store near you. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.